box unboxing. This was 25 bucks, so roughly 20 euro, 22 quid or something like that. This is legit, this is not a clickbait title. It popped up in my head a few nights ago as my girlfriend mentioned something about making different videos, and then I thought, what if I ordered a mystery box? I have obviously no idea what's in here. I mean, that's the whole point of a mystery box, but it arrived. I have to be honest, it doesn't look spectacular from the outside whatsoever, as it's just a regular box. But it's about what is on the inside of this bad boy. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy, shall we? And let's hope that we got our money worth. Right. This is very strange. So when I think of a mystery box, I think of different individual items in a box. I did not expect one massive package, which is nearly 1.2 kilogram. It is from Germany. I don't know if this is a lost and found package or if it's something that the company did themselves. But I'm a bit confused in this case. I may have not read the description correct, perhaps. I assumed that there would be multiple items. So I'm gonna try and see what we can do with this video. We got this bag. I would say this is probably secondhand at its best. It looks secondhand, to be fair. A bag. Shit. I'm already not too optimistic about this video. Audi, I don't know. Alvera Fischer, Germany. DHL parcel. So this is a lost and found package because it says here on the 23rd of March. January, February, no, April. So someone must have never received their package. This is months ago already. I think the concept is really cool. I just really hope I got my money's worth, and if not, well shit, now he wasted 20 bucks. But maybe not. Hey, you never know. Damn, I was really expecting multiple items in a box. It's probably my own fault, man. Yes, I have to make this video a little bit longer. I gotta make my money back. The moment of truth. What is in the bag? We unboxed the bag from the box. They could have honestly just shipped it like as it was. But alright, to be fair, it is a mystery box. That is the whole concept. My guess is if I'd have to feel it, it's a hoodie. It's definitely a cloth or fabric, to say the least. It nearly weighs 1.2 kg, so this is quite heavy. I just hope that it's something useful, and if it's absolute shit, I just know I won't buy this again. So let's unbox this, and let's pray to God that we have something good in here. got scammed out of 20 bucks. Wow, man. Oh my god, they're curtains. And I just bought new curtains as well. You cannot make this up. I swear to God, these are curtains. These are interesting to say the least. Yeah, 20 bucks for some cheap looking curtains. Yeah. So I wasn't expecting his curtains out of everything. I was not expecting. Yeah, I don't know if I'm happy or if I'm upset. Probably both. I could probably cry right now. It's 25 bucks in one tea bag. Although we know how expensive curtains are, but maybe the person that was supposed to receive this parcel should be happy they didn't receive this bullshit. I'm not even gonna bother opening the second one. It's the exact same thing with just a different print. Oh, what did we learn out of this? That mystery boxes are not worth it. They do, however, claim that whatever you get is always worth more than the box. I don't believe it. I bet you if I would search up this brand, which, a matter of fact, I'm actually gonna do right now, see if it is worth anything to begin with. It could be, perhaps. I doubt it though. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought it would be. It's one of those dropship websites that just buy cheap dirt, crap quality t-shirts and that from AliExpress. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought it would be. And this is probably old, so they wouldn't even have these curtain things. Man, that is dead as disappointing. Howdy shit. I feel scammed. And you're probably watching this, you didn't even pay for this, but you probably want your money back as well. Yeah, I thought it'd be a really interesting idea for the channel. Let's just say I'm not ever doing this again. I'm so glad I didn't buy the $100 one. I was first like, oh, let me buy that one, but then I was like, yeah, that's 4 hours of work. I'm good. I'd rather have that money in my car. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching, man. Yeah, I guess this was it.